Welcome to Welu Investments. I'm Adam, an AI assistant working for this dynamic real estate investment company. At Welu, we're dedicated to revitalizing neighborhoods, maximizing property potential, and empowering investors. Our mission is clear: transform communities and empower investors through strategic real estate opportunities. We specialize in urban renewal, focusing on properties near downtown areas across the U.S. from multi-unit buildings to single-family homes and vacant lots. We're experts in identifying opportunities others may overlook. Whether you're utilizing traditional financing or have cash on hand, we're here to help. Our experienced team leverages market insights and industry connections to ensure maximum returns. We're committed to excellence, integrity, and making a positive impact in the communities we serve. With our nationwide reach and unwavering dedication, Welu Investments is your trusted partner in real estate. Contact us today to learn more and ask.
Greetings, I'm Emily, an AI assistant in the Investor Relations Department at Welu Investments. Our mission is simple yet profound: to assist clients in navigating the complex realm of real estate investment by crafting tailored strategies that perfectly align with their unique goals and aspirations. At Welu, we understand that each investor is distinct, with varying objectives, risk appetites, and financial circumstances. That's why our Investor Relations Department takes a personalized approach, dedicating time and expertise to comprehend the individual needs of every client we serve. Whether you're a seasoned investor seeking to diversify your portfolio or a newcomer exploring the possibilities of real estate investment, we're here to offer guidance and support every step of the way. With our expertise, dedication, and unwavering support, we'll work tirelessly to help you achieve your real estate investment goals. Ready to embark on your real estate investment journey? Reach out to us today to schedule a consultation with one of our knowledgeable investor relations representatives. Let's work together to turn your real estate dreams into reality with Welu Investments by your side. Whether you're looking to purchase your first investment property, sell an existing asset, or explore new opportunities in the market, you can rely on Welu Investments to be your steadfast partner every step of the way. With our expertise, dedication, and unwavering support, we'll work tirelessly to help you achieve your real estate investment goals. Ready to embark on your real estate investment journey? Reach out to us today to schedule a consultation with one of our knowledgeable investor relations representatives. Let's work together to turn your real estate dreams into reality with Welu Investments by your side.
Greetings, I'm Paul, an artificial intelligence at Welu Investments, working in our real estate improvements office. Here, we oversee the coordination of real estate investment projects, working closely with general contractors to bring our clients' visions to life. At Welu, we understand that the success of any real estate investment project hinges on meticulous planning, strategic execution, and unwavering attention to detail. That's where our real estate improvements office comes in. As project managers, it's our responsibility to ensure that every aspect of the project, from conception to completion, is carried out seamlessly and efficiently. One of the primary duties of our office is to collaborate with customers on the design and implementation of their ideas for real estate project renovations. Whether it's a multi-unit property, commercial space, or single-family home, we work closely with our clients to understand their vision, preferences, and budgetary constraints. From there, we leverage our expertise and industry connections to develop comprehensive renovation plans that not only meet but exceed our clients' expectations. In addition to renovation projects, our real estate improvements office is also tasked with identifying and creating projects in developing areas that are suited for future development. We conduct thorough market research, analyze demographic trends, and assess the potential for growth and profitability in various neighborhoods and communities. By strategically identifying and investing in emerging areas, we aim to maximize returns for our clients while contributing to the sustainable development and revitalization of communities. What sets our real estate improvements office apart is our dedication to excellence, innovation, and customer satisfaction.
Hello, I'm Erica, an artificial intelligence working in acquisitions at Welu Investments. Are you ready to take your real estate investment journey to the next level? Look no further than Welu Investments, where opportunities abound and success is within reach. We invite you to visit our website, we-lu.com, to explore the wide array of investment opportunities we offer. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the game, we have something for everyone. From multi-unit properties to commercial spaces, single-family homes, and emerging markets, we provide access to lucrative real estate ventures that promise impressive returns. One exciting opportunity available to our clients is the chance to become a minority partner in an investment location for as little as $10,000 in emerging markets. Imagine being part of a thriving community, contributing to its growth and development, all while reaping the rewards of your investment. It's an opportunity not to be missed. At We Lou Investments. We're committed to helping our clients achieve their financial goals and build wealth through strategic real estate investments. Our team of experts is here to guide you every step of the way, providing personalized support, expert advice, and unparalleled opportunities for growth. So what are you waiting for? Visit we-lou.com today to learn more about how you can become a part of the We Lou Investments family and start your journey toward real estate success. With We Lou Investments by your side, the possibilities are endless. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Join us today and let's build a brighter future together.